Some woodworking professionals will tell you never to stain your wood project, but no one will tell you to leave it completely bare. You have to put some kind of a finish on it in order to protect the wood. So here are a couple of tips for you. One of the biggest challenges you'll face is when it comes time to finish the wood, you want to keep the area dust-free so that dust doesn't settle on your project. So before you begin, vacuum the work area. Now, if you've been sanding, you may even want to go inside and change your clothes before you go any further. Stir your finish carefully so that you don't get any air bubbles. If there are air bubbles, they will end up on the surface of your finish. You may even want to pour the finish through a paint strainer to get rid of any air bubbles that may be left, but just pour enough out for one coat. Then take a brush and apply the finish with smooth, even strokes. And you want to make sure that your area is well ventilated and try to stay out of the room while it dries. If you do end up with some dust on your project, use a high grit sandpaper to get rid of any of those extra little bubbles and dust. If you take your time and you have some patience, you'll do a great job every time.